Hi, good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my new Lotus palm router, which is a 550 watts. And before you proceed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, which is From Nothing to Something. And today I'll show you what's inside of this Lotus palm router. Today we will open this box, and I bought this from Shopee. And it's a good thing about Lotus because I have a lot of tools. I have a lot of experience about Lotus. Lotus is very good in performance. And it's cheap also. So right now, the box contains the manual, the user's manual, and also the warranty card. So if you have something happen to there's a assurance that you can have your replacement for your tools. So today we have the guide. We have also the roller guide and also some of the attachment for it. And we have the wrench. It composed with 2 wrenches for replacing router bit. And the last thing is we have a spare carbon brush. So it's a good thing too because we have a replacement for this carbon brush. So it is good because the carbon brush is very common. The kind of carbon brush we can find it anywhere in a hardware. So I like this is what I like about this tools. And this one, the router itself, it's very good. You can rely on it because compared to the some of the Chinese tools, I always prefer Lotus. Lotus beats, even though it's made from China, but you can rely on it. The performance and also the accessories. I have a Lotus angle grinder, so I bought that last year, 2019, and until now I still using it, and the performance of the motor is still very good for me. It's very durable. And right now we have this. Some of the reviews they're saying that some of the attachment for this is broken. So maybe it's because of the shipment. That's the reason why there is a damages from the. But they can replace it. They can contact to the seller if they have a issue about their items. So this one, the good thing about the motor is it weighs like almost 2 kilos, I think. Yeah. It's almost 2 kilos. So it's a good thing because the stability, if you are using it, if you are trying to do the woodwork, the stability of the tools, there's you can rely on the stability because of the weight itself. And we have still Lotus has a toggle switch. This is their iconic toggle switch. They have from the angle grinder. They have the angle grinder that I have is like this switch also. So I'm going to read what's the description of this motor. It's a 550 watts palm router 1/4. It's 220 to 240 volts with a 6mm diameter of or 1/4, and it has a 50 to 60 hertz, 3,500 RPM, and yeah, that's all. And for my next video, I will show you how to use it, how to use this Lotus palm router for my another project, my construction work. I have a woodwork coming, and let's take a look for the attachments and accessories. This one is, I believe this is a guide. It has a bearing in it, and there's a adjustment. And this one, you will put this one here. So like this. So this is a guide. Yeah, this one. Maybe for some of us straight or something trimmings. Yeah, it's for trimmings. This is for this one. Because this is my first time to have this Lotus Prime trimmer, and I'm still learning it. And also for my next project, I will show you how to use it, and I will research for another some instruction for using it. So this is what's inside the box for my new Lotus palm router trimmer, and see you guys for my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, or write down your comment below if there's any something to if you have questions or anything else, so that I can answer it. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.